Once upon a time, there was a little bird who lived in a beautiful garden. The bird was always chirping and singing, bringing joy to all the creatures in the garden. One day, a wise old tree approached the little bird and asked her, "Little bird, why do you sing so joyfully every day?" The little bird replied, "I sing because it brings joy to others and it makes me happy too." The wise old tree smiled and said, "You are a wise little bird. Remember that the greatest happiness comes from making others happy." From that day on, the little bird continued to sing and bring joy to all the creatures in the garden. And whenever someone asked her why she sang so joyfully, she would reply, "I sing to make others happy, and it brings joy to my heart too." The little bird's wise words spread throughout the garden, and soon all the creatures began to realize the importance of making others happy. And the garden became a happier and more loving place because of the little bird's joyful singing and wise words.